Hey everyone, this is Sal's Diagnostic. We have the Kenworth T3 Series Cummins engine, 9-cylinder. I'm just going to show you that I had some after treatment soot sensor codes and the location of the soot sensor and what you should do before changing it. So here we go. Ignore the rest of these codes. And fuse disconnected. So we have after treatment soot sensor, abnormal update. After treatment is temperature sensor. So the first thing they want you to do with a Cummins Insight scanner, or if your scanner could do it, is do a soot sensor generation, clean off the sensor, but not many scan tools allow that. So here I'm going to show you where this sensor is located. Here's your sensor right here. I took apart the stairs to get to it, and here is your module right here that you have to take out. Sensor is pretty dirty, so that should fix our issue here. And if you have more issues than that, then you have to start looking into a dirty DPF and go from there. Thank you.